Good morning, everyone. So my favorite breakfast food is a protein smoothie. So I'm going to show you what I put in my protein smoothie, and I use our, you can see it there, our cooking blender, which is amazing and makes really, really good smoothies. So let's get started. I'm gonna turn this on, have the switch right here on the side, and put your liquid in first. So I'm trying a different milk today. I am trying coconut milk. I did almond, and I like almond, but I read some things about coconut milk, and I decided that I think coconut milk would be better for me. So I just put 8 ounces of that in, and then I'm going to make a chocolate protein smoothie. I like chocolate and I like vanilla, but I am out of my vanilla right now. So I'm gonna put some strawberries in. I like to use frozen because it gets thicker. And that was about a cup of frozen strawberries. And then I add a little bit of ice to it as well. And then you could use kale, but I really like spinach. So I just threw a little handful of some spinach in there because it's so good for me and you really can't taste it. I mean, you really, really can't. And then for my protein powder. So I have 2 favorite suppliers for protein powder. My favorite is Arbonne, which I'm out of right now. I love the vanilla, and I usually use, well, not usually, I do use their Gut Health with it. But my second favorite, which I just discovered, is Just Ingredients. And they have no artificial sweeteners and stuff. And it actually has 24 grams of protein in this thing. That's crazy. So I just need a scoop of that in my protein shake here. And I will say, you know, I like the Arbonne and I like the Just Ingredients. The Just Ingredients is a little less expensive, but I haven't tried the vanilla, but I heard, because, you know, they don't use artificial sweeteners at all. They sweeten with cinnamon, I believe. So it kind of has that cinnamon vanilla. It makes sense. And then I'm going to add my Gut Health, because I am all about getting a healthier gut lately, and I've done a lot of research and whatnot. If you're just starting out with it, you might want to use a half of a scoop. So, and then as you start to get used to it, maybe go up to the 1 scoop. I just like to do about 3/4 of a scoop. So I throw that in, and that is my morning smoothie. And this thing will whip it up in no time. And I'm backwards, so hang on as I try to figure out the lid. This is really awesome because it has a setting for smoothies. So all I have to do is turn the knob till I hit smoothies, which is right there. It also has a grind. If you'd like to make your own milk, you can make your own milk with the milk setting. It's got the heated wash. You can make soup, you can make jam, sauces, heated purees. It's amazing. What I love about this blender over a lot of the competition is it actually heats with a heating element. Most of your other blenders, if not all, I'm not for sure, but heat by friction. So this actually heats up to the desired temperature using a heating element. So it's really, really awesome. And of course, when I'm done, it cleans itself. I go to the heated wash and boom, that's it. So this is all you do to make a smoothie with this. It's going to take 1 minute, and all I'll do is hit the button. So I will have the most amazing shake this morning. Have a great morning, guys.